Hi guys, and welcome to Denton Lane, wagon repair depot. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you what I've been up to past a couple of days. Mainly getting this railway laser lines wagon repair depot shed completed. It's been a good build. It's a great kit. Would recommend it if you're looking for something similar for your own layout. It's not perfect. I've made a few mistakes, but for me it's presentable, and with a bit of detailing and a bit of weathering, it's going to look really nice. Looking forward to getting some internal details in there as well, detail it up. Some lifting jacks from Bachmann. There's some other bits from scale model scenery that will be going in there as well. But for now, really happy with it. Sets the layout off. It's the focal point of the layout really. There's not going to be a lot of structures on this layout in particular. I like to keep things quite minimalist. And if anything on this project, rather than the previous, which was Lynchwood sidings, there's more track work on here, just for a bit more operational interest. So it's not going to be plastered with scenery. It's definitely not going to be plastered with lots of buildings. So there's a double slip to go in here, which is going to add some operational interest as well. Something a little bit different. Not looking forward to wiring it up though. This is a track plan I'm working on at the moment. It's not necessarily the completed track plan, but it's what I'm going for now. As I showed you before, also got a 3-foot fiddle yard board. Needs a bit of work. The height of the board is slightly different, so once we get back to normal, be able to order some wood sheeting just to raise this fiddle yard board up to the correct level. Planning on this one just to be really a home layout, not intending to take it to any exhibitions really. Having said that, we'll see what happens. But that's sort of the overall view here. The idea that Loco can bring in a rake of wagons, a shunter of some sort can take it off that line at the back where the load haul 37 is, and drag it back into the fiddle yard, run it into the wagon repair depot, and then feed the wagons in and out. So hopefully it'll be interesting. I think it will be. Like I said earlier, the compromises on the scenic side of things. Working in this 1-foot space is not ideal. It's not a massive space, so you've got to be a bit creative in terms of the track work and what I put in. But hopefully, the minimalist look will work out okay. We'll soon see. So the next port of call is to add the double slip in, which is just here. Once I'm happy with all the track work, I'll just place some locos and wagons on it, just to sort of gauge what sort of lengths of stock I can get in and how it will work operationally. And once I'm happy with that, I'll sketch out the track work, start drilling holes for the dropper wires, get those in, get the droppers soldered to the ends of the roads, and then go from there. Add the bus wire, get it wired up, start playing trains. I've probably said this in the past, but a lot of people like different things in modelling, and for me, whilst I enjoy building layouts, I particularly enjoy weathering, detailing stock. That's more of my kind of interest, I suppose, rather than building layouts. but you never know, that might change. And certainly is an enjoyable process. So there we are. Board's not perfect. The shed is not perfect by any means, but I'm happy with it. And as I said earlier, once we get some details in there, it'll look really good. So there we are, guys. Quick update, less than 5 minutes, hopefully. I'll keep you informed of progress we make. Got some stuff on order as well, but I'm happy so far. Let me know in the comments if you've got any suggestions on things I could change, make different. Always open to new ideas. Take care. Bye.